Hello, hey girl, hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today's video is really exciting because I am going to do a quick little review on the new brand from Ariana Grande. She released a whole makeup line, you guys, and I got a lot of things. I didn't get every single thing. We are going to be doing a full review, first impressions on r.e.m beauty. I hope you guys are excited for today's review. I did purchase these products myself, so as always, my review, my thoughts are going to be genuine and 100% mine. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and get started with today's r.e.m beauty review by Ariana Grande. Alright you guys, so we're gonna jump right into the products. I'm quickly gonna show you what I got just to do a little mini haul. I did pick up two of her bullet lipsticks, and just keeping it 100, I've already tried this one. I was wearing the shade, let's see, I can tell by the lipstick itself, roller skates, and then I also picked up the shade bubbly, and I have to tell you that this is probably one of the best formulas I have tried from a high-end lipstick in a very long time. It is so creamy, so pigmented, super velvety. It feels like butter on the lips and it just glides on. So I can already tell you that these are a huge hit for me. I've also picked up eyeliner marker, and I have my thoughts on this, which I will share with you once we apply the eyeliner together, but I picked that one up. I only picked up one palette. I didn't want to go crazy because honestly, I don't know how often I will be using these, and I didn't know if the formula was going to be all there. So this is the palette that I picked up. She does have other palettes on her site. I will have pictures inserted in here, but this one is the shade Baby Doll. This is the one that just really called out to me the most. It's just a very neutral, warm palette, very basic, if you will. I also picked up two of her liquid eyeshadows. I got Milky Way and Asteroid, which looks like this. She again has also other shades available, and all prices will be inserted in the video as we go along, and all links will be in the description box. So these are the two shades. I wanted to get one warm and then one like a crazy color so I can see how it both works. And then I also got two lip glosses. I'm not a huge lip gloss girl. I'm more of a matte lipstick girl, but I still enjoy lip glosses. These I haven't really tried out. These are her plumping lip glosses, and the two shades that I got is Away Message and Waterfalls, which looks like this. The packaging is very interesting, so there's that. And then the last thing that I picked up is her highlighter. Again, she has a lot of shades, a lot of crazy shades, which I thought was really cool. She has greens and purples, but you know me, I like to keep it safe. So I picked this one in Miss Mercury, which I think is probably one of her best sellers. Anyways, we're gonna jump right into the eye tutorial, you guys. I have not tried her eyeshadow, so let's see what Miss Ariana Grande has up her sleeves, okay? And also really quickly, I did it, you guys. I cut my hair. I didn't go too short, but here it is. This is my new hair. So it's right like mid-boob, I guess, and I love it. It's oh my gosh, it feels so much lighter on my head, and also my long hair. It just didn't have anything going for itself, you know, and it was just time for a haircut. I feel like a lot of people won't be able to tell because my hair was so long. But then again, it's not so short. I might go shorter next time. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base. Nothing new. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I am wearing my faja, and this thing just sucks me in all the right places. I'm going to show you guys which one I'm wearing. I did a full, like, kind of like a review. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm wearing this one. I just took the straps off. And this one has been helping me so much with my posture. Lids are nice and tacky. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So as always, I'm going to start off with the lightest shade in the palette. As you can see, this comes with 4 mattes and then 2 shimmer shadows. So let's take the lightest shade. And I'm going to take this on a Morphe M504. Ooh, that has a lot of kick up. But the pigmentation is there, so that's okay. If you watch me, you know that I don't mind kick up at all. Like, as long as the pigment doesn't disappear, then we're okay. Yeah, this definitely has a lot of kick up. But also, take in consideration, I am using a big fluffy brush So that could take a little bit away from the shadow. And then I'm bringing it out to the edges. I'm going to go in with my second shade, which will be the third one to the right, the left of the palette, which is like that really pretty peachy, like skin-like color. And I'm going to take that same brush. This does have a little mirror, and by the way, I just wanted to mention, I guess I'll talk while I'm applying this, but what do you guys think about her packaging? I thought it was very different. I don't know, maybe it's because I don't really keep up with her now, so I don't know what her brand is like now. It's very like futuristic, very, I don't know, like alien, outer space. I don't know, it's different. But I mean, it works. The packaging is cute, I'm not gonna lie. The lipsticks have to be my absolute favorite from the entire collection, or at least from what I bought. And also, what do you guys feel, or how do you guys feel about celebrities like coming out with their own makeup line? I know that there's so many people that don't like it. I personally don't care. I'm here to buy the makeup for you guys first before you spend your money on it. And based on my reviews, you guys can decide whether or not it's worth it. So, quick little update on the eyeshadow. It is really nice and it has a really nice pigment. It's definitely more like a buildable pigment. It's not like bam at first, but they're nice. So, that's just what I'm going to say about that first shade. Now I'm going to move on to my second shade, and I am going to take this one. I will do my best to use every single shade in the palettes, but that is what that one looks like. It's a little like mauve-y brown, and I'm going to start off in the center right here. And I know that Ariana always has more of a like natural glam to her look. Like, I don't think I've ever really seen her with like crazy makeup. So this to me makes sense. Like, the color story makes sense. But what do you guys think of her makeup line? Like, did you guys buy anything? Were you guys just kind of like, I'm over it. I'm over these celebrities coming out with brands, and let me tell you something, it's not going to stop. Doesn't matter what we think, if we care or not, if we support these brands. Like, for every no, there's like 1,000 yes. Like, I'm sure Ariana has millions and millions of supporters that will gladly buy her makeup, especially like the younger generation, like younger kids. Like I said, I used to love her music. I would even sing to her music with my daughter, but I don't listen to her anymore, and I don't know much of her life or anything. But when I saw that she was coming out with a makeup line, you know, as a beauty influencer, like regardless if I follow that celebrity, I will still buy the makeup because it is makeup and it is my job. But yeah, I'm going to use that same brush, and I am going to dip it into the darkest shade. As you can see, this color built up really nice. I did have to go back a few times, maybe like 4 or 5 times, to really layer it. So this palette can definitely take you from like day to night, depending on how much product you apply. So just a little FYI, I'm going to take that darkest shade, and I'm applying this to the lowest part of the crease, just really keeping this on the outer corners. And that's definitely a little more brown. It's deeper in tone. These glide on really nicely onto the eyelids. I'm not having any tugging issues. I'm not having any like patchiness or anything. So the formula so far is nice. Is it crazy different? No. So yeah, at this point it's more like, okay, well, do you want to support the artist? If you love Ariana Grande, then I think this is something that you're going to like. I'm also going to take the same shades and just run them through the lower lash line, just tapping it closest to the waterline. I'm going in with this color and I'm tapping it in. I do have a lot of fallout, so maybe try doing your eyeshadow first if you're wanting to do your eyes. So the crease is nice and cut. I went ahead and blended the outer corners. So this is a swatch of the shades that are on the palette, and honestly, they're okay. They're a little underwhelming if I'm going to be totally honest. So let's apply our liquid eyeshadows. Again, I have the shade Asteroid, and these look really, really pretty, but they're nothing special. Like Kokie Cosmetics, JCat Beauty offers these for half the price, and I'm pretty sure you guys can get the same colors. So this one, which is called Milky Way, look at how pretty that is. I think I'm going to use this one. Hopefully I don't regret it and mess up this look. I don't believe I need any glitter glue or anything to apply this, so I'm going to go in with a brush. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh my gosh. And it is crazy pigmented. It does dry really quickly, so you have to work fast. I do not like this. I know I'm going to look completely crazy, but I'm going to try this one on this eye to see if maybe that's the issue, if it's just the blue or if it's just the liquid eyeshadow formula. This one is really pretty as well. So I am not a fan of that. As you can see, it's like breaking, it's doing something weird, and it's like patchy. Do you guys see? It's like cracking. I don't know what I did wrong. I could have used it wrong. So I will try it again and let you guys know, but let me fix this really quick. The eyeshadows definitely have a weird formula to them. If you can see right here, like they crack. They just dry down too much. Like these won't budge, which I guess could be a good and a bad thing. As you can see, these just don't layer good on top of powder, so just use it bare and maybe you can get better results. But really quickly, while I wait for this to dry, I'm going to show you guys the eyeliner. This one again is just the black. I think she has a brown one, or maybe just black. It's called Midnight Black. And I do like the formula. It's liquidy and it's matte and it dries nicely. But the tip for me is just a little strange. Like I wish it was a little bit longer because it's hard to get into like the eye area. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, it's very pigmented. And then when I use it like this, I don't know, the day that I was using it, I was just having kind of a hard time like getting in there. So there is the eyeliner. As you can see, it's nice. I like the formula. I just wish the actual tip was a little bit longer. So let me pop on some lashes really quick. Popped on some lashes. I'm wearing 1990 by me, OMG Lashes. So let's apply the highlighter. Honestly, this one has to be probably my favorite out of the entire r.e.m beauty collection, or from what I bought. This is again Miss Mercury, and it is a very blinding highlight. I really like this. If your skin is a little bit wet, it'll attach to your skin a little more. But look at that. It's really pretty, and it can definitely be a little more subtle, like if you don't apply as much or if you don't go in with as many layers. I've already worn the shade, so I know how it looks. I'm going to use this one, which is called Bubbly. This one is a little bit more pink, and I've already lined my lips. So you can see it's a little more mauve-y. The formula is creamy, it's pigmented, and it blends in super nice. Let's try a little bit of Baby Doll, or sorry, roller skates on top. This one is a little bit more peachy. Again, super creamy. These remind me a lot of the Makeup by Mario formula, where it has that like velvety matte finish. Now let's go in with a little bit of lip gloss. I'm going to take Away Message. When I first opened it, I thought it was going to be like a little doe foot applicator, but it's actually a little squeezy tube, which I don't mind. It's okay, I guess. It does have a minty feel to it. These definitely don't plump up your lips, so if you're wanting it for that, probably skip out on them. And then let's take a little bit of Waterfalls, which is a really light peach, and let's add that to the center. So here's the entire look. All of these products were used to creating r.e.m beauty makeup by Ariana Grande. What do you guys think? So a quick little review. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I absolutely recommend the matte lipsticks. These are amazing. The formula is creamy, velvety, pigmented, and the packaging is just super duper cute. The lip glosses are also a huge hit for me. I really like the formula. I really like the pigmentation. They're like a little bit like slippery, but they're not goopy and they don't like stick to the lips. The packaging, it's all right, but it's something that I can totally see past. The highlighter is another huge hit. Like, I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. The eyeshadow palette, it is pretty. Like, is it worth the money? I don't know. It's nothing new. Like, at this point, it's just like, do you want to support Ariana Grande? If you like her brand, then I would say get it, but you can live without this. The one thing that I have to say that I was really disappointed was in these liquid eyeshadows. Let me know in the comment section down below if I used them wrong, but I just don't like the formula. I don't see me using these, honestly. Like, it's just such a strange formula. It feels so dry on the back of my hand. Like, these are gonna hurt when you try to take them off. So I think that is everything for today's video and review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Did you buy anything? Are you going to buy anything? Are you just over these celebrity brands? Because I would love to know. So comment down below, and I can't wait to chat with you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.